Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today I'm bringing you my update for the Happy Hour Project Pan. This is a PANtastic ladies collab panning project, and it was created by Dannie from Dannie's Makeup and Deb from Deb B. I will have their information down in the description box along with all the links and all the things in case you want to join in. It's never too late. This project runs from November 12th of 2023 and it ends on the 12th of November of this year, which is National Happy Hour Day. You can do it rolling style. You can roll them all in. You can all in at one time. You can roll them in and out. Set usage goals. The prompts are, of course, happy hour, drink related, and then you do monthly updates. I believe when we started there were 30 prompts, and let me flip back over. I am currently working on 20 prompts because I have noticed that I seem to do better when I roll all the prompts in at one time. Why that is, I don't know. I guess I like to be overwhelmed. Anyway, even though I'm working on 20 prompts, I do not have an update for all 20. I am only going to talk about the ones that I have usage on. So let's start up at the top. For the prompt Daquiri, a fruit themed item, name, packaging, scent, and so forth. I rolled in this Burt's Bees Orange Blossom and Pistachio Lip Butter, and if you can see, I have a little dent going in there. I'm almost hitting pan there in the bottom. I rolled this in for 30 uses. And this update, I have used it 8. I used it 5 the time before. So this is staying in. This really is a very nice product. I do enjoy it. For the prompt St. Patty's Day, a green or gold item, that's name, packaging, product, or whatever, I rolled in this ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil, and it is in the shade Emperor, and it is a pretty gold color. I rolled this in for 10 uses. I used it 4 times since the last update, to the update before that, for a total of 6 uses. This is a nice lip oil. I had had this for a while and had not used it, so I'm happy to get some usage out of that. For the prompt, another round, an item you love so much you bought it again or bought it for a friend. I rolled in my Covergirl Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. I rolled this into finish. I have used this 17 times since last update, 20 the update before that, for a total of 37 uses, and I don't remember last update if I had hit pan, but there she be, the pan. I love this product so much. This is the 3rd one that I have, and I have one waiting in the wings. It is an amazing, amazing product. Highly recommend. For the prompt Sex on the Beach, a beach or summer themed item, I rolled in this Daisy perfume by Marc Jacobs because I guess I thought daisies was a summer thing. And I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I have used it 10 times, so this will be rolling out. For the prompt Mocktail, a dupe for a high-end product, which is credited to Helen Hirsch, I rolled in the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter because this is a dupe, I believe, for the Charlotte Tilbury. I rolled this in for 20 uses. I used it 2 times this update, 5 the update before that, for a total of 7 uses, so this will be staying in. For the prompt last call, an item that is almost finished, I rolled in this bottle of perfume. This is Elixir by Shakira. I don't even remember where I got this from. I rolled it into finish. I have used it 8 times this update, 7 times the update before, for a total of 15 times. And I didn't mark where I was, but I will mark where I am this go round. So this is staying in. For the prompt old fashioned, an older item in your collection, I rolled in this Gerard Cosmetics eye primer, and I've had it so long that there's nothing on the bottom to indicate the shade name. I rolled this into finish. I have used it 16 times since the last update, 17 the time before that, and I have hit bottom side pan. Is that a thing in a cream product? I'm assuming that it is. How about that? So this is staying in. For the prompt nightcap, a product you use at night, I rolled in this experiment. This is the Greenavy 100% pure castor oil. This is cold pressed and hexane free. It's in a dark amber bottle, and I am now down to here. It was full when I started. I used it 22 times. I have it rolled in for 120 uses. There was no usage the time before that because this was a new roll-in. And I am trying to see what all the hype is about using castor oil on your skin, sans the cat hair. And so far, y'all, I'm really liking it. I think that it's doing some stuff. I will keep on with it, and at the end, I might do a dedicated video and give y'all an update. For the prompt garnish, an item you use as a topper, such as an eyeshadow, a blush, nail polish, that type of thing, I rolled in this Looksy eyeshadow. If I can get it out of the thing. This is Nightfall, and I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I have used it 8 times. I have two more uses to go, so it's staying in. Look at that. Oh, it is so pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I really do like that a lot. For the prompt designated driver, a water themed item, I rolled in the water palette by Melt Cosmetics. This is the Bad Side Zodiac, and it is for Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And I'm glad that I rolled this in because I thought that I was not going to like this palette, and I really do like it. I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I have used it 16 times, if that tells you anything. I really did enjoy this palette. It's a very nice little palette. Really did enjoy it. So that will be rolling out. That's 2 rollouts. For the prompt drunk shopping, that is something you don't know what possessed you to buy it, I rolled in this Milani Conceal and Perfect Under Eye Brightener in shade 02 Melon. I don't use a lot of under eye products, so I don't know why I keep trying. But I do. So I rolled this in for 10 uses and I have used it 10 times. So I am rolling this out and I may be decluttering that. It was okay. For the prompt Moito, which is something with a mint flavor or scent, I rolled in this Nemat Cosmetics eyeshadow that I depotted out of the Nemat Iceland Fire and Ice palette, and this is called Northern Lights. And I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I used it once this update, 3 times the last, for a total of 4 uses. So that one is staying in. So those are all of the products that I have usage on for this month. There will be nothing to roll in because I had rolled all the products in. So there we go. I appreciate you spending some of your very valuable time with me today. Before you go, show that like button some love. It really does help out my channel. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscription button. Ring that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you will enjoy this one. I'll just leave it right here. Okay. Love you, bye.